Oh, wow. Wow.
How Will Smith broke the internet.
I'm Northstar, the $7 entrepreneur. See the link in the description.
Chris, I apologize to you. My behavior was unacceptable, and I'm here whenever you're ready to talk. I am deeply remorseful, and I'm trying to be remorseful without being ashamed of myself. I'm human. I made a mistake. I'm trying not to think of myself as a piece of shit. If you hang on, I promise we'll be able to be friends again. Love will make you do crazy things.
Before you go, check out the description section. Follow or subscribe for more.
Oh, wow. Wow.
How Will Smith broke the internet.